All right, this is a 42-inch House Beautiful ceiling fan installed in another one of the basement bedrooms. This is the final fan in the whole house. So, yep, this is the last one, and I'm gonna have to film it with the light on because there's no other light in here. And I don't like having to use the flashlight on my phone because the video doesn't turn out to be very good quality. So, light on one side, oak on the other. Here's low. Pretty fast low speed. Of course, you could expect that on these little fans. Yep, got a wobble to it. It's kind of got a bearing noise to it or something. Very fast fan, blows a lot of air. A lot of air. All right, that's it for this fan and all the fans in the house. This is one of the best houses I've ever come to do ceiling fan videos in. We've seen some YouTube firsts here and just some very, very cool fans here. So anyway, on the Litex Spotlight that was upstairs in the laundry room, I'll try and talk them into taking it to a Habitat store. And then I'll let you guys know about that, and maybe you can go, you can just drive however far to come pick it up if you want to. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed all the fan videos in this house. Like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.